We are outside our latest flip. We spent about $100,000 on that rehab inside. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna walk you through it, show you what we did, show you some before pictures, some after footage. We're gonna talk about how we got the deal, and we're gonna go over numbers. That's a lot. You ready?
It turned out great. Let's go. All right, so a beautiful rehab like this has to start with us finding the house in the first place. So how did we find this house, Sam?
This was actually a probate lead, and this is our top lead source. We buy more houses per lead than this source than any other source we have. It's awesome. So what probate is basically when somebody passes away and they don't have a will, what do they do with that house because they haven't stated what they want to happen to that house. So it goes into probate, it goes through the court system, it takes a while for the house to actually get sold. And what happened on this was we had an attorney that we worked with in the past, and he called us. He's a probate attorney. He called us, he said, this house that's going through probate, be a perfect fixer-upper. Did we want to buy it? We came and bought it. So what are we doing here, Lucas? When people walk in, they kind of want to be wild. What do we do to wow them in this one?
Yeah, so we walk in, it's kind of like a split entry, and we're right here in, I would call this the living room or family room, but
we're living in it.
Yeah, and obviously you can see the before photos and video there, but here to make it pop, we did a lot of simple stuff, honestly. A lot of different paint textures. We got the black beams, we got the fireplace that we turned completely white just to freshen it up. We got all new luxury vinyl plank throughout the whole house that you see as we walk through, and we did some awesome staging on this. I think that really helps sell your house quickly when you hire a professional stager.
Yeah, we spent almost 100 grand on this rehab. Not a ton in this room, but we spent some in the other room. So let's head over to the kitchen and talk about that. As you can see, we're in the kitchens. Putting money in kitchen is one of the best use of your money if you're doing a rehab, because people are scrolling through Zillow, they're looking at houses. Kind of the first thing they usually look for is the kitchen. Is it rehab? How nice is it done? What does everything look like? Kitchens are super important when it comes to selling houses. So what are we doing here, Walls?
Yeah, so this is a whole new kitchen. So new cabinets, new base cabinets, new upper cabinets, new cabinet hardware, new quartz countertops, new sink, new backsplash, new lighting. We pretty much redid this whole kitchen, and like Sam said, if we're gonna spend money on a house, this is the place to do it, because that's where you get the most return on your investment.
All right, let's head into my favorite room of the house, the sunroom, and we actually have our team in here, Luke.
Yeah, so the sunroom, first of all, off the kitchen here, it's amazing. It's right on a lake community, so it's got a great lake view, but the view you're seeing now is probably of our team. This is listing day, so it takes an army to list the house, right? So we got our entire real estate agent team here with Claire, with Jacob, with Aaron. We got our brand manager, Missy. We just shot a commercial in this room, so it's a poppin' day. It's busy.
Yeah, this is an awesome room. I think this is gonna sell the house. You gotta kind of have a fun feature, something that differentiates a house over another house. And this is an awesome sunroom. I could see some wine being drank here in the evening, some coffee in the morning, maybe some wine in the morning, coffee in the evening. Whatever you're into, this is a great room to kind of hang out and just chill, and you actually can even see the lake from here. You can even sit on that couch on your phone and watch Sam Faster Freedom on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all that.
You got a Twitter account?
I did not. I do not. Since Elon's taking over. All right, I'm just hanging out in the bathroom. This is a bathroom that two of the bedrooms share and the guest bath. So we wanted this to be nice. We pretty much redid everything, got new vanity, new toilet. The flooring goes throughout the entire house, but also we did not redo this entire tub surround and tub. It was in really good shape, and it's Subway tile, and that's kind of in right now. So the tile was in great shape, this was in great shape, it just wasn't the right color. So we actually glazed this. They have products out there now that last just as long as new tile and new tub surround. So we redid everything in here except the tub surround, that's just glazed. So head over to the master. Luke's gonna talk numbers, and gonna show you that.
All right, so Sam was in the hall guest bathroom, and here we're in the master. There's an ensuite, which makes this master super cool. You got a full bathroom there, you got a double sink, and you got an awesome walk-in closet here. So this total rehab cost about $90,000 or so. We've owned it for a couple months, 2.5 months. By the time we sell it, we'll have about $10,000 worth of holding costs. So we bought this house for about $270,000. We spent $90,000 on the rehab and $10,000 worth of holding costs. We're all into this house for about $370,000, and we're gonna list it for, wait to find out. All right, so here in the master ensuite bathroom, we did it a little different. We did nicer floor. We went with some real nice ceramic tile. The darker tile will make this bathroom pop. Got the pedestal sink, the nice one handle faucet there. And again, similar to what Sam did in the hall bathroom there, this bathroom surrounded tub was in great shape. So we just hired a professional glazing company to give it a fresh, clean, white facelift. What's up? So you're in the finished basement. We added a little rec room down here. You know, it's always nice to have a little extra living space. It's a big range upstairs, but nice little rec room down here, plus an extra sleeping area behind me. Can't call it a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet. So super cool down here. It also has a little half bathroom behind the camera there that we'll show you here in a second. But Sam, you want to tell everybody where we're going to list this bad boy?
Yeah, but first, I don't think you have to put air quotes around closet.
It's an actual, we don't have a closet.
But sleeping room is the quotes. All right, perfect. As long as we got that going. So yeah, so as Luke told you upstairs in the master, we bought this house. We put a lot of money into it. We're listing it today. We have to get out of here in a couple minutes because we have showing starting in about 10 minutes. But we are listing this for $449. We will see. We're doing a multiple offering reviewed Sunday evening, so we're going to hopefully have multiple offers. We've got a few showings lined up today, but the market's still hot. I know interest rates have gone up a little bit, but there are still so many buyers out there. And a house like this, there might be a cash offer just because, you know, it's not an exorbitant amount of money. Somebody might have a cash offer. So, you know, even with higher interest rates, I mean, we're still getting offers and we're still getting above asking.
Yeah, and for you guys doing fix and flips and rehabs on your own, I would price it to where it's gonna sell and let the market run it up. But don't try to stretch and price it as high as you can, because then you probably won't get any offers.
Yeah, that's kind of what people have been, that's a good point. That's kind of what people have been doing recently that have not been selling. They think it's gonna sell for this, so that's what they ask. That's not working because so many people know that the market's so hot, so they are saying, I'm not gonna even offer because they're asking this, I'm gonna have to offer, you know, 10% higher. So put where you think it should be and let the market speak for sure. So we're excited about this one. Let's do this one and let's, you know, flip about 40 more this year.
All right, man, we got to get out of here. We got showings in like 10 minutes.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna sell this house right now. Make sure to check out this video you see over here. Also, if you want to see another walkthrough with before and after pictures, see you on the next one.